Social justice is the fair treatment of all people. It gives everyone equal right and access to resource. Social change is how society transforms its habit, law and system over time. Together they work to fix unfairness and support groups that force discrimination. What are seven principles of social justice? While social justice is most commonly taught, around 5 crore pillar assess equity, participation, diversity, and human rights, expand framework in modern sociology and global adversity often detail seven key principles is fully systematic fairness. What are four types of principles in social change? In social change and cultural anthropology, social change is frequently broken down based on the speed, intention, or scope of shift. A common four part of classification looks at how change happens through speed and design, evolutionary, revolutionary, planned and unplanned changes, while another classic sociological framework. What are four pillars of social justice? The four fundamental pillars of social justice, widely recognized in human rights framework and community advocacy, are equity, access, participation, and human rights. Together, these principles guide the fair treatment of individual and dismantling systematic barriers in society. What are three main principles justice? The three main principles of social and political justice are equal treatment for equal, the same, regardless of background, proportionate to justice, rewarding a people based on their effort or merit, the recognition of special needs, providing extra support to disadvantaged individuals. What are six sources of social changes? Six key factors of stimulate social change: culture and value, technology, population change, cultural diffusion, the physical environment, and wars and conflicts. These forces how people love, think, and interact. What are the examples of social change? Social change in significant shift to society, culture, behavior, law and institution. Major examples include civil rights movement, women's suffrage, the industrial revolution, the rise of the internet, and the LGBTO rights movement. What are five elements of social justice? The five core element of principal social justice: equity, access, participation, diversity, and human rights. Together they form transformation of for fair society where every person is valued and voiced. What are the main principles of justice? The core main principles of justice focus on creating a fair and equal society. They are defined five main ideas: equity, access, participation, diversity, and human rights. These interconnected pillars work together to remove systematic barriers and protect human dignity. What is the goal of social justice? Social justice aims to create a fair society where everyone equal right, bias, basic needs and change to succeed. It works to remove unfair rules, stop discrimination, and make sure wealth, power, reason are shared in fair way among all peoples. Equality exists, no discrimination, fair rules. What are the main theory of social justice? Theories of social justice framework for fair distribution of wealth, opportunities, and privilege in justice society. Major perspective include John Ross, justice, fairness, utilitarianism, liberalism, and Marx theory, each offering distinct principles of evaluating society institution and human right. Original position, well ignorance, equity. What is social justice important? Social justice is important because it builds fair society where all people have equal right, opportunity and basic resource. It removes unfair barriers caused by the base bias or poverty. Let everyone reach their full potential, protect human dignity and create safe and stable. 5 crore principles of social justice. The 5 crore principles of social justice are access to resource, equity to treatment and opportunity, participation in a community decision, diversity and appreciation, and fundamental human rights. These interconnected pillars guide efforts to create fair, inclusive and egalitarian societies.